So you've inherited a bunch of money from a dead relative, received an unusually high insurance payout from hurting your pinky during a fistfight, and received donations from strangers feeling sorry for your loss. All for the same reason, but you're still not going to prison because you look like a bitch streaming on Twitch and now you're rich. So what to do with all that money? And how to express that in Polish? I got you, fam. Step 1. Put all of your money into a single stock you heard about on Reddit, without any research of your own. Better yet, make it far out of the money call options expiring within a week. Będzie dobrze, kurwa. It'll be fine, kurwa. Dosłownie nie może wyjebać się na cycki. Literally can't go tits up. Na księżyc. To the moon. What are call options? It's simple. They are a mechanism of financial ruin that allows people to lose the maximum amount of money in the shortest time possible. Step 2. Watch it all expire worthless and blame yourself for being a fucking idiot while swearing never to do this again. Może jednak jestem debilem. Perhaps I am an idiot. Nigdy więcej. Never again. Może jem kredki na śniadanie i może i mój mózg jest gładszy od piłki plażowej, ale nawet ja nie jestem tak głupi, aby to powtórzyć. I may eat crayons for breakfast and my brain may be smoother than a beach ball, but even I'm not dumb enough to do this again. Step 3. Watch the price of the stock you had previously chosen rally up 100% due to the CEO tweeting a poop emoji and FOMO right back in with borrowed money, hoping to miraculously regain your previous losses. Raz się żyje. YOLO. Diamentowe ręce. Diamond hands. Step 4. Watch the price crash 50% and immediately sell at a loss because of fear of losing it all. Może jestem pizdą z papierowymi rękami, ale przynajmniej nie straciłem wszystkiego. Perhaps I am a paper-handed bitch, but at least I didn't lose it all. Step 5. Open a short position, betting it will continue going down, only to watch it shoot up again for some fucking reason. Może i straciłem wszystko, ale przynajmniej nie straciłem więcej niż miałem. Maybe I have lost it all, but at least not more than I had in the first place. Step 6. Keep holding while ignoring phone calls from the brokerage because you're convinced it will go back down. Then watch it suddenly rocket to infinity because out of all the universes in the multiverse, you live precisely in the one that can fuck you the most. O kurwa.